Hello, I wanted to go through how your kids would get on Canvas. So we walked through this in the classroom and they all felt really comfortable with it. However, I know sometimes they feel good here and then when they get home they completely forget how to do it. So we're going to go through that really quickly. So what you're going to do is my screen is going to look a little bit different than theirs because I don't have a Chromebook, I have a Mac, but I will try my best so that this makes sense. But whenever you go get onto their computer, you're going to click down here where their Google Chrome is, and then you should have a web browser that picks up. So you're going to click right here on this little symbol, should be in their Google page. It's their class link. You're going to go ahead and click right there. You're going to press sign in with Google. And then you are going to go to this button right here. This is their Canvas. So this is where they're going to go for all of their online assignments. Okay. And theirs should work so that they are automatically logged in. They shouldn't have to log in at all. For some reason, if they do have to log in, their login is on a sticker right on their computer, and give me a call or an email if it doesn't work. So once they are logged in, they are going to go right here where it says 1A Mrs. Hill's class. They're going to click right here. And then here is our classroom that they should see. They're always going to click at home work for any of the work that they're doing at home. They're going to click this blue button right here. This blue button is going to take them to their module. So they're going to click right here for day 1, and then the next day they would click for day 2. Okay, I'm not going to click this because mine's going to look very different than yours, but once they click this, it's going to open a new web browser that shows their assignment. Hope that makes sense. Please email Dojo or call me if you have any problems. Thanks.